Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn Google into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping businesses in your area? And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go up on Google and type in your industry or service in the upper search bar, along with your city name, and after submitting your search, you'll scroll down and pick from the first few results down below, or you'll pick from the first few results in the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option as you'll notice there are roughly 900 searches every single month for landscaping in Boston. And the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches so we can guarantee that 900 people every single month see our business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we're going to need to know first. So first off, let's talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes to rank on the first page. And then we'll talk about what you'll need to do as far as content goes when you start building out your own website. So here we are on Boston Landscaping Service, and this website ranks on the first page of Google for landscaping in Boston. And if we scroll down their website, one of the things you're going to notice is that they have a ton of content on this page. And that's exactly what we want to do because Google ultimately likes websites that promote a positive user experience. And by giving users something to engage with, such as content, we can really do that with our website. So we're going to want a very contentful site. I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words bare minimum. But obviously, we want to go bigger and better than our competitors. So they have over 1,000 words. So we're going to want 1,000 plus as well. So feel free to go over that limit. But 750 to 1,000 is the bare minimum. Now, if we examine their content a lot further, you'd also see that they have tons of keywords and phrases, keywords being the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we not only have our content, but that we also have our keywords to back it. But now that's only going to be the first part of everything here. That's going to be the internal side of things. We also have the external side of things, which is going to be our backlinking and our citations. So let's go over and talk about backlink structure by taking a look at this website and the tool I have called Ahrefs, and then we'll discuss a little bit more what you'll need to do to go in and compete with them as well. So here we are in Ahrefs, and you'll see that their website has about 270 backlinks built to their site. It's generating them a little bit of power here and there, but ultimately it's bringing in about 313 users every single month. Now, those 313 users are a direct result of both the content and keywords that they have, as well as their backlink structure. So we really want to mix all three of those to create the strongest ranking strategy possible. And if you do that, you should be able to even steal these 313 users every single month, and even more than that. But that's kind of the idea is that I think if you do all that, you should find yourself in a very positive place to really go in and rank just like this website has. But in order to do that, we're going to need to go bigger and better than our competition. So if they have 267 backlinks, we're going to want upwards of 500 backlinks, maybe even 600 or 700 backlinks to really solidify our position and really push that margin. But now, before I end this video, there was one more thing that I had mentioned, and that was citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So we're back to Google, and we have this Google Map Pack, and the goal of the Google Map Pack, or I should say why it's so important, is that it gives our business a second place that we could be seen online. We could be seen down below in the organic search results, or we could be seen in this Google Map Pack. And if we can do both, we can guarantee that 880 people or 900 people see our business every single month. So the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different things to rank its companies, one of the most important being citations. Citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I went through each one of these companies and took a look at how many citations they had. And at number one, we had 45 citations. At number two, we had 37. And lastly, at number three, we had 24. So if number one has 42 citations, or I believe I said 45 citations actually, then we're going to need upwards of 100 citations to really go in and outrank them. So, like I said, we always want to double them or go bigger and better. So we're going to need more citations, more content, better industry specific keywords, and ultimately more backlinks as well. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive trend in the amount of traffic your business is generating month over month, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that's coming with it as well. Now that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could an extra 900 customers every single month do for your business? Now that's all I have for you. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video was very educational, and thank you for watching.